I call your phone, bro. I call your phone as an artist, bro. I never have to do that. I say, bro, I go put up on a song. So why the fuck you act like, say, you own the song or you know, boss boy? All I text me phone, I can tell me about, oh, remember who you get strength from. Go suck out your mother, Mac. Batty boy ever bust Teejay. Me have rocks to riches, me have only much song before you can text me phone, I can tell.
Yeah, I'm the SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
God not sleep. God not sleep on you, you're pussy, you're too bad man, you're too corrupt, you and you're
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. Now beg on a like, share, subscribe on that video here. And my people, you don't know if you take the time frame. Big up Father God. Thanks to God, say we have life as well. Alright, you know, don't see that one hot, my people. Very hot. Teejay went live a while ago and the man get mad. The man get cross. Apparently there's an issue with DJ Mac. You understand? You know DJ Mac can produce a lot of top songs for Valiant himself and all of that. So there's an issue with Drift because Teejay actually used DJ Mac as a producer on his song Drift, and it look like some Mac reach out to Warner Music behind him back and one bag of things, my people. You understand? Me no really know the details of it, but Teejay have the details for my people. So, maybe gonna stay on the video, like, share, subscribe, leave a commentary, let me know what you think about it, my people. Bless up on yourself, Jamaican Chat, I'm out.
Bro, you know, so sometimes I feel like me too real. Zane, can watch it pray. I know it's a drift I go on good though. You know what go on? I'm telling you a true story about drift. Me get drift March 5th. Get drift rhythm on March 5th. On a screen record my live too. Cause I know me love. Anytime someone try style me, me like take it to the public before then try pull them little craft. Cause I realize say some boy have them little media friend them, you see me? And me realize the dancehall music nowadays aside. Like management team say me never have adjust this over the internet, but I have to take it to the net. Drift. I don't business whose style it is. I don't care what people will say, but drift. Me get the rhythm there from Panda. Panda build the rhythm. Panda Link, me say, him want be a producer, but it will take a lot for him. So me say, oh, Panda, no problem. Me stay some voice, drift. Me, Teejay Jones voice that in a Dan garage in a Miami. Me stay some say, yo, who me can put Panda song as producer? Me stay some call Boom Boom. Me have every conversation in my phone. Boom Boom, I say, oh, God no, bro, I better you produce a song by yourself. Me I say, no problem. Me go just say a Panda song, but me go put Mac on it as producer same way. Me not try to get this out to a hand, but bro, me can't believe say like Mac, you not even want Panda own him own song, brother. Like Mac, you not even build the rhythm, bro, and you want to claim the man's song, bro. Like me can't pretty up nothing, bro. Somehow no a vampire. Somehow no only come for drain out this energy. I have to bring it to your ear, if dog. Zin, make you grow, bro. Make you grow, bro. Make you get the song, bro. Only if a big song gonna get boy in a dancehall, bro. Make you grow, bro. You gotta have your people them now. I reach out to Warner Music. I tell Warner Music, oh, a year song, bro. You never build the rhythm, bro. Panda build the rhythm, bro. Come on, bro. And if I little people them where you sign to nowadays, bro, me never even want to reach so for me if feel like say a people a program or them thing about, bro. You and Panda had no agreement to the song. No, me have to bring it worldwide. Dog, not too bad man and corrupt in the music when you see you to try, dog. Come on, man. Come on, man, bro. Me put up on the song. Me call your phone, bro. Me call your phone as an artist, bro. Me never have to do that. I say, bro, me go put up on a song. So why the fuck you act like, say, you own the song or you no boss, boy? All I text me phone, I can tell me about, oh, remember who you get strength from. Go suck out your mother, Mac. Batty boy ever bust Teejay. Me have rocks to riches, me have only a much song before you can text me phone, I can tell me about, oh, God not sleep. God not sleep on you, you're a pussy, you're too bad man, you're too corrupt, you're a vampire. You do it to the next youth to produce speed off, bro. Me not hold on no chat, you do it to you to produce speed off and you give the youth recoup contract when the youth build the rhythm bad man. You're too fuck up, bro. And you come make it look like say, but you see through before you and your little friend them. Company that I come make it look like someone who can program up and thing. Me should even do this, me should just see a box in your face. But by right, me go deal with it. Make the world know say on a vampire in a dancehall. When I see the youth them arise, Lord the youth, DJ Mac. Me call your name Lord DJ Mac upon that song. You cannot get the song. You do not produce the song. You not have a contract between you and Panda. This song make your song strive. Nobody not get no money for. If you feel like a money we get off a song, nobody not get no money off a song. Me not get no money off a song, Panda not get no money off a song. If me call your phone and put it on my song, why you da feel like me da get money and I give you money? Bro, you have a liar, bro. Stop the fuckery, bro. Stop bad minding the music, bro. Stop making... Bro, I'm gonna so fuck dog. I say I stay to myself in a dog. One time man stay song come out of the alien in a dog. You know come go like batty boy ever do nothing for me, boy. I go near out your mother to you can't...